Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to upload and share files on Google Drive. So let's get started. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Click on the plus button or the new button on the left side of the screen. Select File Upload or Folder Upload to upload files or folders respectively. Choose the file or folder you want to upload from your computer and click Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once uploaded, you can find your file or folder in your Google Drive. To share a file, right-click on it and select Share from the menu. Enter the email addresses or Google Drive links of the people you want to share the file with. Choose their permission level, such as View, Comment, or Edit, and click Send. And there you have it. By using this method, you can upload and share files on Google Drive. Thanks for watching.